You didn't make it to the finals. How do you feel now?
En osaa mitään, ihan pasko on nämä kisat.
Welcome to the Olympic finals. Neanderthal boxing.
And it's peak!
Pekka won gold. How does it feel now?
Voi, Pekka on ihan paras, hyvälle tuntuu.
That was a great match. How do you feel now?
The American farted at one point and I almost fainted, but otherwise it went quite well.
Finland!
That was an amazing lift. How do you feel now?
Melko koville otti, mutta oli kiva kannustus.
That was an amazing performance. Ursula, how do you feel now?
Ihan all hauskoa.
Finland won again. How does it feel now?
No, meni ihan hyvin.
That was a great somersault. How does it feel now?
Vähemmän pieleen, mutta
Ihan okei.
Könen!
You just made a world record. How does it feel?
Aika paska ennätys kyllä oli, ootelin parempaa.
Mäntuo eäs jonnekin.
You just made a world record. How does it feel?
Melko mitään sanomaton työntö, ootelin parempaa.